Let's do it. I bet you it's gonna be some bullshit. I swear, if I get those fucking panties, I'm going to freak the shit out. Hold on. What is this? Boy. Anything else in the box there? Boy. M133 Classic Army microgun. That is electric power. That's right, you guys. Electric. Boy, he's thick. He's a thick ass boy. Oh shit. Is the carrying handle here so you can balance that weight, because you're gonna want to two-hand this. Ha ha! Damn, boy, he a thick ass boy. Oh fuck. Now I gotta put a red dot on this shit. And if you really wanted to, you could put a red dot on there, but I'm going to confiscate your microgun. Oh damn, he a thick ass boy. Sick. Thanks, Cisco. For those of you that are asking, where's semi-auto? Oh, cool. Oh, wow. Really? Semi-auto? On a microgun? You don't deserve this. Just end the video right now if you're asking semi-auto, okay? Just you don't deserve any of this. Go semi. I need a thread kit. Classic Army, why? Why? Please, just thread these. Is this how you... Yeah. Okay. Nice. Is it one hand? Oh, fuck, that is not a one hand. Unless you're Boaz, who can properly pistol grip this thing. I definitely got to get a red dot in this. You don't deserve it. You clearly don't deserve it. No, you're not going to get a refund. You don't deserve it. Oh, yeah, I got to read the manual. Open up the box. I'm going to need you to read the manual, okay? It's not your basic M4, all right? You want to void your warranty because you were too lazy to read the manual? Shoot again. Explosion thing here. That's some bullshit. Ooh. I definitely need these. All right, cool. F4, frick. Oh, damn. Just a little bit. Actually, a little more. And for those of you that are questioning, it holds a whopping 2,200 BBs. Damn, that's a lot of damage. Huh. That's crazy. Yeah. Yeah, you can't do that much. As I said earlier, this is an easily attainable microgun. But how much does it come in at? Well, the Classic Army M133 microgun is going to be retailing for $1,099. Yo!